Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to remove multiple accounts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, how to remove multiple accounts on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. Now come towards settings and privacy and scroll this bar and you can see there is logout. You have to click on the logout. Your account will be logged out and you can add some other account which you want to carry on. This is the procedure that how you remove multiple accounts on TikTok. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.